Did you know that millions of men are suffering from low testosterone without even realizing it? You might feel tired, unmotivated, or just not yourself. But what if I told you it could all be linked to one simple factor? And the worst part, the most dangerous symptoms are the ones no one talks about. Stay with me because the last symptom on this list might shock you. Now, when most guys think about low testosterone, they picture low libido and muscle loss. But what if I told you that one of the first warning signs is chronic fatigue? You wake up exhausted, no matter how much sleep you get. Midday crashes hit you like a truck. You used to have energy, but now it's just gone. Testosterone plays a crucial role in energy production. Without enough of it, your mitochondria, your body's power generators, start failing. You feel like you're running on empty all the time. Here's where things get even scarier. Low testosterone doesn't just weaken your body, it rewires your brain. Lack of motivation, you used to be driven, ambitious. Now, even the simplest tasks feel overwhelming. Brain fog, you forget things, struggle to focus, and your thoughts feel sluggish. Mood swings and depression. And no, this isn't just feeling sad. It's deeper. You feel disconnected, like you're watching your life from the outside. Many men spend years battling these mental issues without realizing the true cause. But trust me, when you get your testosterone back in balance, it's like turning the lights back on in your brain. Now, here's where things get really interesting. You're going to want to pay attention to these because they're the most overlooked yet most damaging effects of low testosterone. Weaker grip strength. Sounds small, right? But science shows that grip strength is directly linked to testosterone levels and even overall longevity. If your handshake is getting weaker, it's time to take action. Cold hands and feet. This happens because testosterone regulates circulation. Low T slows blood flow, making your extremities colder. It's one of those symptoms no one connects to hormones, but it's a major warning sign. Worsening posture and joint pain. Testosterone plays a vital role in bone density and joint health. If your back is aching more, your joints feel stiff, and your posture is collapsing, this could be your hormones begging for help. Weird fat distribution. You might notice stubborn belly fat, or even fat accumulating in places it shouldn't, like around the chest. That's because testosterone helps control where your body stores fat, and when it drops, things start going way off balance. So, what can you do about it? The first step, get tested. The second, take action. Your diet, exercise routine, and lifestyle all play a role in boosting testosterone naturally. And guess what? I've got a full guide on how to fix this coming up next, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments, which of these symptoms surprised you the most? This is the Men's Tribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong.